Good morning, children. Today we will continue with the exercise 13.2 where we were finding out the volume of combined solids. Okay. So, exercise 13.2, I think we had discussed the first two questions. Now coming to the third question. Okay. See, an important question this is because from examination point of view. Okay. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. So, whatever the volume of gulab jamun is there, 30% of it is the volume of the sugar syrup which is absorbed in it. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeter and diameter 2.8 centimeter. So, first and foremost let us draw the figure of the gulab jamun. Okay. So, you are asked to find what is the total amount of sugar which is absorbed in 45 gulab jamuns. So, the gulab jamun, it is just like a cylindrical shape with hemispherical ends, मतलब ये ऐसा है. Followed all of you? ठीक है. टोटल हाइट दिया है, मतलब टोटल हाइट या टोटल इस तरह से देखेंगे तो टोटल हाइट ऑफ द गुलाब जामुन इट इज गिवन एज 5 सेंटीमीटर और ये डायामीटर दिया है 2.8 सेंटीमीटर. सो diameter of the cylinder, diameter of both the hemispheres, you can see here two hemispheres at the end and then there is a cylinder. So, both the hemispheres at the end, that is also having 2.8 and as the diameter, and also the cylinder has the diameter 2.8. So, we can say radius of the hemisphere is equals to 2.8 divided by 2. Okay. Both the hemispheres, there are two hemispheres and radius of the cylinder, that will also be, radius of the cylinder will be 2.8 by 2, that is also the same thing which is equal to 1.4, here also 1.4. The height of the gulab jamun, total height of gulab jamun, it is equal to 5 centimeter, isn't it? So, it is equal to 5 centimeter. So, what will be the height of the cylinder? So, that we can find out what will be the height of the cylinder, because this total gulab jamun का volume अगर हमें find करना है, so it will be the 2 times the volume of the hemisphere plus the volume of the cylinder. Okay. So, height of the gulab jamun is total height is 5 centimeter. Therefore, the height of cylinder will be equal to 5 minus, अब इतना height is 1.4, also this height is 1.4. So, together 2.8, that means 5 minus 2.8 which is equal to 2.2 centimeter, isn't it? 2.2 centimeter. So, the height of the cylinder we can say it as 2.2 centimeter. Clear everyone? Okay. So, height of the cylinder also we have got. So, first we will find volume of one of the gulab jamun. Okay. Volume of one of the gulab jamun. Volume of one of the gulab jamun will be equal to what? 2 times 2 by 3 pi r cube, क्योंकि दो हेमिस्फीयर का पार्ट है एंड्स, therefore 2 times 2 pi r cube plus pi r square h, है ना. वॉल्यूम ऑफ गुलाब जामुन इज एक्चुअली द 2 times द वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर प्लस the volume of the cylinder. Okay. So, you can write the formula as 2 into volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder. Okay, and that is this. So volume of gulab jamun will be equal to this. Now radius of both the hemisphere and the cylinder is same. So I can take pi common, I can take r square common. Okay, so pi r square I will take common. What is remaining? 4 by 3 and 2 into 2 4 by 3 r plus h. This way you will get. Okay, r we have 1.4. Okay, pi we will take 22 by 7, or is it mentioned what should be taken as pi? No, it is not mentioned, so we will take it as 22 by 7 into r, which is 1.4 into 1.4 into 4 by 3 into 1.4 plus 2.2. So this is how you get your, okay, 7 0.2 हो जाएगा, that is 2.2 into 1.4 sorry, this will become 2 into 2 4.4 हो जाएगा, 4.4 into 1.4. okay, and this becomes 4 4s are 16, 1 4 1s are 4 5.6 by 3 है, that means plus 6.6 by 3. This way you will get. And what is 4.4 into 14 or 1.4? It will be 1 4s are 1 4s are 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 17, 6 1 6. Okay, 6 1, so it will be 6.16. That is equal to 6.16 into, this will be 2 and 11 12 हो जाएगा, 12.2 divided by 3. So you will get some value. And now volume of 45 gulab jamuns. Okay, 45 gulab jamuns. So that will become equal to, see, 6.16 into 12.2 by 3 into 45. Okay, so 3 1s and 3 15s. So together you will get the value as 1127.5, I think. 1127.28 centimeter cube. You get volume of the gulab jamuns as 1127.28 centimeter cube. Okay. Now what is asked? What is the amount of total syrup present in this 45 gulab jamuns? So 30% of volume of gulab jamun, 30% of volume of gulab jamun is sugar syrup given to us. It is sugar syrup. So therefore 30%, 30 by 100 into 1127.28 will be equal to how much? You can find out. It will be cancelled here, and 3 8s are 24, 2, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, okay. 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 7, 3 1s are 3, 3, okay, and by 10. So it becomes 337,184, 337,184 as the volume. (337.184 centimeter cube is the volume of the syrup. Okay? So you can calculate it out and see how you get your answers. Now coming to question number 4. A pen stand is made up of a wood in the shape of a cuboid where 4 conical depressions to hold the pen. Okay? The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter, that is L into B into H is given to you. The radius of each depression is given as 0.5 centimeter, radius of each depression, and depth is given as 1.4. मतलब कोनिकल जो डिप्रेशन है उसका रेडियस भी दिया हुआ है, मतलब कोन का रेडियस है और हाइट भी दिया हुआ है. फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वुड इन द एंटायर स्टैंड. फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वुड इन द एंटायर स्टैंड. ओके, सो इफ आई और देर आर 4 कोनिकल डिप्रेशंस बोला है, मतलब देर इज दिस वे 4 कोनिकल डिप्रेशंस. To hold the pen. So there is 4 conical depressions which you observe here. Okay, this is how. और ये जो radius है that is given to us, also the height is given to us. Okay, what is the radius given? It is 0.5 centimeter and the height is given as 1.4 centimeter. Okay, so this is how the pen stand is. It's a cuboidal shaped pen stand where 4 conical depressions are there, and you are asked to find out what is the total volume of the wood present in this pen stand. So, radius of cone, it is given as 0.5 centimeter. Height of the cone, it is given as 1.4 centimeter. This is given to you. And length into breadth into height of the cuboidal portion, it is given as that is 15 into 10 into 3.5, that is given as 15 into 10 into 3.5. height जो है this is 3.5. okay, length जो है it is 15 and breadth it is given as 10. So this is how the cuboidal pen stand will look like. So what is the volume of the total volume of the pen stand? अगर देखोगे तो पूरा cuboidal में से ये जो इतना conical portions है that should be subtracted. That would give you the total volume of the cuboid. Okay, total volume of the wood in the pen stand. Okay, so first let us find volume of the cuboidal portion. Okay, volume of cuboid, it will be equal to L into B into H, which is 15 into 10 into 3.5, that is 5 into 10 into 35 upon 10 cancel, which will be 15 into 35. So what is 15 into 35? 35 into 15, 1 0 sa, 1 5 sa, 1 3 sa, 5 5 sa 25, 2, 5 3 sa 15, 16, 17. So 5 to 5. So you get 5 to 5 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the cuboid. Okay. Now, what is the volume of the one conical depression? Okay. So volume of one conical depression, it will be equal to, अब volume of cone क्या होता है? It is 1/3 pi r square h. ठीक है, that is 1/3 into 22/7 into r. r is 0.5 into h 1.4. 0.5 2 times है, so we will write once more. So you get 7 ones are into 0.2 होगा. So that will be 1/3 into 22 into 5 by 10 into 2 by 10 into 5 by 10. Okay, 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 and 5 cancels out. Now what is remaining? 22 into 5. Again 5 ones are 5 2s are 10 हो जाएगा, 2 ones are 2 11s are हो जाएगा. So what do we get? 11 by 30. So this is the conical depression, volume of one conical depression. Now volume of 4 conical depression, 4 conical depression. It will be equal to 4 into 11 by 30. So 2 2s are 4, 2 15s are, that becomes 22 by 15 centimeter cube. Then what is the volume of the wood? Volume of the wood, total wood will be equal to what? Cuboid में से इतना part हटा दो, that is only the volume of the pen stand you will get. So volume of cuboid I get it as 525 minus 22 by 50. Okay, so whatever answer you get, that many centimeter cube is the answer for your question. Okay, please copy down everyone. Now let us take question number 5. What does 5 say? A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. So there is a vessel which is in the form of an inverted cone. So you can draw the vessel. Okay, it is in the form of a inverted cone. So we have drawn the vessel. Its height is 8 centimeter and its radius of its top, which is opened, is 5 centimeter. So radius of its top, it is 5 centimeter given, and height of the vessel, it is given as 8 centimeter. ठीक है? It is filled with the water up to the brim. मतलब यहाँ तक पानी भरा हुआ है. Okay, up to the brim, the vessel is filled with water. That is what it is saying. When lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter, are dropped into the vessel. So there are some lead shots. Lead shots मतलब it's of a spherical shape, and this is the lead shot. ठीक है? It is dropped into it. Okay? अब ये lead shot का रेडियस क्या है? रेडियस ऑफ lead shot, it is given as 0.5 centimeter. 0.5 centimeter, isn't it? It is given as 0.5 centimeter are dropped into it. So when lead shots are dropped into it, 1/4 of water flows out. So what is there? 1/4 of the volume of water flows out when lead shots are dropped. तो तुम्हें फाइंड करना है कि कितना लेड शॉट्स डालने पे 1/4 वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर इज फ्लोइंग आउट. सो यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ लेड शॉट्स. ठीक है. नाउ रेडियस ऑफ द लेड शॉट इज 0.45 सेंटीमीटर. देयरफॉर वॉल्यूम ऑफ वन lead shot, since it is a spherical solid, we have the volume of the sphere as 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, one lead shot का इतना होगा, that is 4/3 into 22/7 into 0.5 whole cube. ठीक है. Let n be the number of lead shots, number of lead shots. ठीक है. So what will be the total volume of the lead shots in the water, so that we can find out. Therefore total volume of lead shots will be equal to, मतलब जितना lead shots है into the volume of one of the lead shot. So that is n into 4/3 into 22/7 into 0.5 the whole cube. Total volume of the lead shots इतना होगा. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वेसल कितना है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ वेसल, सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वेसल that will be only the volume of water filled in the vessel. Okay, so water, अब vessel कौन सा shape में? कोन के shape में. So therefore volume of water in the vessel it is equal to the volume of cone. It is equal to the volume of the cone, which is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7, okay, into r is 5. So that is 5 into 5 into h is 8, isn't it? So volume of the lead shot, when these lead shots are added into it, 1/4 volume of the water flows out, isn't it? So what is the volume of the lead shot? Volume of the lead shot, that is total volume of the lead shot, will be equal to the 1/4 the volume of the water which is present in the vessel. Okay, so we can, according to question, what can we write then? According to question, we can say n into total volume of the lead shot will be equal to the volume of the water which is displaced, isn't it? So 1/4 of volume of the water is displaced. So n into or we can write total volume of lead shot, it is equal to the volume of the water displaced, and that is 1/4 the volume of water. So that will be n into 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 5 into 5 into 8. 3 and 3 cancel out. Okay, 22 by 7 cancel out. Okay, ये 0.1 हो जाएगा और ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये भी 0.1 हो जाएगा और ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So here n into 4 into 0.1 into 0.1 ऐसे होगा into 0.5 which is equal to 8 ऐसा होगा. So n क्या वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगा? n will be 8 by 4 है ना, 8 by 4 सारा नीचे आ जाएगा into 10 into 10 into 10 by 5. Okay, so 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. Okay, 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. So that will become equal to 400 lead shots you will get. Okay, let me check the answer. Here I have forgotten to put 1/4, so that 1/4 will remain. So upon 8 by 4 हो जाएगा. So upon 4 which is equal to 100 lead shots. So number of lead shots you will get it as 100. Okay, this 1 by 4th I forgot to multiply it here. So you have to multiply it here. So it becomes 8 by 4. So that becomes 400 by 4 which is equal to 100. So 100 lead shots are put when 1/4 of the water will get displaced. ठीक है. So rest of the questions you can do for your homework. I think you will be able to do. If there is a problem you can tell us and it will be done. Okay. Thank you.